6 members. And here's our poster design. And in the middle of the poster is a goal. This is the yellow one. And there are 3 aspects that link with the goals. The first one is the content and sequencing. So it is divided into 2 parts. The first one is the content of language course, including the language items, ideas, skill, and strategy. And the another one is important components for the curriculum because it keeps subjects on vocab, grammar, and discourse to make sure that any important item has been to cover and repeated.
Actually, the content analysis is and format and presentation is a monitoring and assessing. Because depending on the goal, we must need to monitor and assessing the student so that our curriculum designs will be better. First of all, in our content it should be evaluate and achieve objectives, and also evaluations in this monitoring or assessing involve the use of tests. And also, because we involve tests, we must adopt 2 things. First is proficiency test, and also is performance test.
Next, I would like to talk about format and presentation about curriculum design process. The material in the course needs to be presented to learners in the form that will have to learn. One way to trying to check this balance of the opportunity is to see a course consisting of 4 stages, which are each given a roughly equal amount of time, including meaning focus input, meaning focus output, language focus learning, and fluent development.
Hello everyone, my name is Yi, and today we will talk about the environment in curriculum design process. The important process in curriculum design in the environment analysis, which aim to examining the factors of situations that affect strongly in the course study and learners. Environmental teaching must be provided the progress in education and curriculum development is considered as a significant step in showing any progress in education. And furthermore, good environment analysis draws on both analysis of the environment and application of previous research and theories. In some models of curriculum design, environment analysis is included in this analysis.
Are important in curriculum design, and we can find out what students need by asking tests or questions or interviews, and then we check the information by using reliability, validity, and practicalities. And understand this help set learning goals and ensure students have clear purpose for learning English.
So next we would like to talk about the principles when you build a curriculum. When it comes to the principles, those are the rules that you have to follow in order to build a perfect curriculum for students to follow. So the principles consist of 3 main parts. Firstly, we have the content and sequencing. This consists of 10 principles. They are frequency, strategies, and autonomy, space retrieval, language system, keep moving forward, teachability, learning burden, and lastly is inference. Moving next, we have format and presentation. In this section, we have 10 principles. They are motivation for stance, comprehensive input, fluency, output, deliberate learning, time on task, depth of processing, interactive motivation, and learning style. And last but not least, we have monitoring and assessment. These consist of 2 last principles. They are ongoing needs and environment analysis. And lastly, we have feedback.